You'll see how to remove this power door module and install on a passenger or driver's side door, specifically on a Chrysler 300 or Dodge Magnum. This process is similar for many other cars. So this door module is inside the inner door panel and is what gives power to the door switch, door lock, side mirrors, and powers the operation of the window. Now, before we start, if you could subscribe, I would appreciate it. You'll learn tips, tricks, and how to fix your car yourself for free. And I do not believe in going to a crooked dealership or mechanic that just cares about their bottom dollar and not your dollars. I only make videos to help others, and it is my way of giving back to all those who have helped me learn and save money over the years. Maintaining a car can be expensive, so I want to show that you can do it at home for free. Anyway, I'll leave all the tools in the description below for you to check out. And after subscribing, let's start. There are 5 push clips. Slowly and lightly push each one in with a hooked or pointed tip. If you push too hard, then you'll have to grab those tips later inside the panel. Use a pry tool to pop these 4 push clips out. There we go. Then remove the 4 Phillips screws, most of which are on the bottom. Then use a flat tip or hook pin on this flap door piece behind the door handle. And then there will either be one piece here or a piece right here in this case. There we go. Now use a screwdriver or power tool to remove the 2 screws. Pull straight up to disengage the 3 clips which secure the inner door panel to the door frame. You'll better understand this once this is put back on later. Now you'll see the only wire harness up close in here. By the way, each connector plug is different and can't be mixed up when reconnecting later. We're going to release them all. This and right here. Just gotta squeeze it and pull it out. See right there. Just kind of push it up and pull it out. Simple. This you don't have to really take out the bulb, you just pull it out of the panel. But there is a clip right here if you want to remove it. Pull that out. Try it with the hand. There we go. And then this rod-like piece, just pull it straight up. There we go. The inner door panel is now free. Quick review. These 3 white clips help the door panel. I'll show you later how to remove it, or you can watch a more detailed video on removing the inner door panel. I'll leave that in the description below. Anyway, you'll disconnect the long lock rod and remove all the clips and the light bulb connector. This is the power module. Remove all the clips. Don't worry, you can't mix them up. Also, the passenger side is similar and only has 2 clips to pull out. There we go. Use your pry tool again. Just pop it out. That's one. Pull it. Yeah, easy, huh? Putting it back in is a breeze, of course. Just snap it back in and reconnect the clips. You can't mix these up, so just go ahead and plug these cords in. Now, very important, I'll show you the best way to put the door panel back on and a helpful trick. See these little clips right here? Well, there's one there, and that one is not in yet. That might happen when you're taking it off. So all you need to do is pull it down. It slides up and down. Use a pry piece and lightly tap it. Do this step very carefully. You do not want to break these clips. There we go. Now put the clips on the panel. This piece will go right under here. This is going to go in here. that hole right here, the rod will go in here, and then I'll push this on. You can't really see here, but I am attaching the wire to its hooks and then reattach the light. Make sure everything looks good. This piece, of course, will go through here. Once I put this on, I can just line these 3 clips up and push this down, making it much more simpler. Yep, it's in. Start putting the screws in. Gotta release these clips. Removing and reinstalling the power door module and inner door panel can be completed in about 45 minutes. Let me know in the comments below about that trick on removing the 3 white clips, because I haven't heard anyone else talk about removing those clips. And it's important when you put them back on to fully secure the door panel to the actual door. Anyway, please like and subscribe when this helps.